Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video, and I'm here with my buddy!
Yo, Gunlock!
And today we're going to make a review about the Denver game console 150-in-1.
Provided to us by my buddy and co-worker RV Movies.
Thanks for lending me this portable system. So check it out and make a review for the channel, for the community, for the Wicked family.
Oh yes, stay wicked people.
So yeah, let's do a little bit of an unboxing. What's in the box? So what we can find inside this little box comes with a very nice, no toilet paper, a very nice manual with some basic explanation in how many? 20 languages or something like that?
Well, we're going international.
Oh yeah, Denver, going international with this portable station. Alright, what do we have here? It's just basically like all the, let's say, $10 knockoff systems that I reviewed before. The D-pad, it's not even hollow. It's freaking horrible. A, B, start select, on and off. So I think it's a reset button or something like that. Here we have the speaker and a little battery compartment that is locked by a screw. That's really annoying. Alright, let's take a closer look at the system itself. You like it?
I like the design of it.
You like the design?
The design.
Super guy.
But other than that, you know, I'm not a big fan of these.
You don't like to play with the little things,
I love to play with the little things.
Oh yeah, the sound is... Ooh, there's a volume button at the top. Oh, this sounds a little bit better. Alright, 150 games. Ooh, this is something I've never seen before on knockoffs of already the Chinese knockoff systems. We got it categorized games. Right, action games. Oh my god, it's the same, exactly the same menu that they are using on the knockoffs from China. Right, nothing much. Alright, let's see. Resetting, of course. We're going to back to the menu, go away. Fighting game. Superhero. Oh, please do shut up.
Yeah.
It's horrible.
Like someone was getting strangled.
Oh man, it resets the sound. Oh my god. Sport game. Let's see, what is this? It's all homebrew. There are no licensed game on this thing. Alright, reset. I'm going to start some games. Let's use Skyway.
A Top Gun rip-off. Top Gear, honestly.
Oh, that was quick.
Okay.
So the Denver portable systems. I personally never had one of these before, so very pleased to have one, so I can just check it out. Every time I'm pressing my D-pad, I see the LCD moving.
Yeah, I think it's not probably faster or something. Fascinating.
Some of these tunes are very familiar.
What's this?
Oh, yeah. A rally game, or it seems to be a rally game.
Right.
I'm going to lose already. Whee! Oh. What? Yeah.
Okay.
Horrible! We're having here bug catcher.
Let's catch some bugs then. That's one of those, yeah.
Just need to grab it. Alright. Now we need to grab a certain color or something like that.
It's looking very fascinating. Fascinating stuff.
Freaking depressing. We're going to play Masked Man. We're going to make a game, we're just going to call it Masked Man.
Wow. Like, inspiration went out of the door. And oh my god, what's this? Hell.
So for the final conclusion, the Denver game console. I can say it's pretty horrible.
I like the idea behind all these knockoff systems, but unfortunately, the execution, the way they're being made, it's not my thing. And once again, I would like to thank RV Movies for providing us these systems. Kudos to that, buddy. But
very happy indeed. I always wanted to check out these knockoff systems that you can buy here in the local shops, because they're the Chinese knockoffs. Yeah, they're just naughty boys because they're always using licensed games like Mario Contra, and of course not on these systems.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's very fun. I sometimes see it on flea markets and just want to pick it up, but they're asking a lot of money, sometimes 10 to 15 euro for these things. So yes,
way too much, especially for this one.
Yep. It's not very special. It's got a few games, or that may be a little bit decent, but overall, I think it's just fun for the kids.
Yeah, and that's how we need to see them. It's cool for the kids, but nah, I'm not sold on them.
No,
absolutely not.
So yeah, let me know what you think of this. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and see you next time.
Later, people.
Bye bye.